Welcome to this tutorial on how to pay with Afterpay at Target correctly. Afterpay is a popular payment service that allows you to pay for your purchases in 4 interest-free installments. To use Afterpay at Target, you will need to have an Afterpay account and a valid payment method linked to it. First, make sure you have the Afterpay app installed on your mobile device and that you are logged into your account. If you do not have an Afterpay account, you can sign up for one through the app or on the Afterpay website. Once you have found the items you want to purchase at Target, proceed to the checkout line. Let the cashier know that you would like to pay with Afterpay. They will then ring up your purchase and ask for your phone number associated with your Afterpay account. Next, you will receive a notification on your phone to confirm the payment. Open the Afterpay app and follow the prompts to confirm the payment. You will see the total amount due, as well as the 4 installment amounts and due dates. Review the payment details carefully to ensure everything is correct. If everything looks good, tap Confirm to complete the payment. You will then receive a confirmation notification from Afterpay, and the cashier will receive confirmation that the payment has been processed. It is essential to note that Afterpay has some eligibility criteria and spending limits. You must be at least 18 years old and have a valid payment method linked to your account. Additionally, you can only spend up to a certain amount with Afterpay, which will depend on your account history and other factors. To avoid any issues with your payment, make sure you have sufficient funds in your linked payment method to cover the first installment, which is due at the time of purchase. You should also ensure that your payment method is up to date and that you have not exceeded your spending limit. By following these steps and guidelines, you can use Afterpay to pay for your purchases at Target quickly and easily. Remember to always review your payment details carefully and ensure you have sufficient funds to cover your installments. With Afterpay, you can enjoy the convenience of paying for your purchases over time, without having to pay interest or fees, as long as you make your payments on time.